Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find a university on DAAD. First, simply open your web browser and go to the official DAAD International Programs portal. You can easily find it with a quick search. Once there, look for the main search bar or a clearly labeled section like Find a Study Program. This is your starting point, connecting you to hundreds of degree options across Germany. It is designed to be user-friendly, guiding you effortlessly through the initial selection process. After your initial search, refine the results using the powerful filtering options available on the left sidebar. Clearly specify your study level, whether it is a bachelor's, master's, or PhD, to narrow down your choices. Then, select your subject area, perhaps computer science or business administration, and choose your preferred language of instruction. Many programs cater to international students in English, but you can also find German-taught options. This structured approach helps you quickly pinpoint relevant programs, saving you valuable time. Once you find an interesting program, click on its title to access the comprehensive details page. Here, you will find critical information, starting with admission requirements. These might include specific academic qualifications or language test scores such as IELTS or TOEFL. Carefully check the application deadlines, as they can differ greatly, often ranging from mid-January to late July for various intakes. Additionally, review the program's duration, typical tuition fees, and a full overview of the course content. This page is crucial for assessing your eligibility and suitability. Remember, DAAD is primarily an information portal. You will not apply directly through their website. Most applications are submitted through the university's own online application system, so navigate to their official website from the DAAD listing. You will generally need to prepare documents such as your academic transcripts, a detailed curriculum vitae, and a compelling motivation letter. Some universities also utilize a centralized service like UniAssist, which simplifies applying to multiple institutions simultaneously. Always double-check the specific application method for each program.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.